Okay, good afternoon, students. This is Raja again. In this video, I will go ahead and work on the Excel. I received a couple of questions on this assignment from students, so I thought probably to go ahead and record the video to demonstrate the steps and help you understand how to create a visual representation to analyze data. So, step 2, we use these two cell ranges. Again, you select the first and then press on Control and select the second range. I'm going to click on Insert, the pie chart, and I'll just go ahead and use the 3D pie chart. Or just as you can see, so this is the annual. Again, we use a pie chart in the exam. I kind of gave you a summary table and I ask you, so really the perfect answer is the pie chart. When you are summarizing, showing percentage apart from the whole, this is the best way to present data. And once we inserted the chart, we're going to move it to the upper left corner in the inside cell I-12. And the lower corner would be on O26. There we go. Okay, so that's it for step 2. 1, 2. Okay, so the next, the following step on step 3, it's really always having a chart title or giving you the importance of understanding of what is this chart about. Okay, so documenting the chart. We're going to click on the title, and either you can copy or paste or type the title, which is annual rentals. We are going to make sure it is, you just go back to home, unbold it. The font, it's black. Size 16, I should just choose the 16, and the font type, Arial font type. Let's see, and again bold, sorry, I didn't see that. Toward the end and bold it. Okay, just give you more visual. That's it for the step here. Move on. Again, in the following one, we're just gonna do this because we'll continue work on the same again. So the next, again, you are adding more details on the chart. So we're gonna add labels on the part, include the category. So that's meaning showing the data labels, and we're just gonna go with more options so you can see all the options, because it's saying add data labels on the pie chart to include category name and percentage only. So name, uncheck this, and percentage. Okay, so that's what you need to do. Check these two. Outside end of the chart, so we're in outside end. So it's easy. Chart font, change the font size for the label. So going back to bold, and it's 8. So because we added this, there's no need to duplicate more the series and the legend and the label. So we're gonna remove. Just press on that and press delete. It should really remove the chart legend. Continue to add more details and describe the chart better. So we're gonna click on the chart design and choose a color. I think it wants you to choose one. Okay, this is right there. Oh, monochrome. Okay, sorry. So sorry, this one. Monochromatic. So this is the chart type. And it says explode the slice of the 3D chart 20% that represents the auto type with the lowest percentage of the annual rental. So the lowest percentage here is this 4%. So once you click on, make sure that's the only selected slice, only one, and just type 20% to explode. Okay, so we're the chart area to gray. Okay, so varies over gray, accent 3, lighter 80. These different gray ones. Okay, so again, you go to this is the with the gray accent 3 lighter 80. Again, that's on all the chart area. Okay, one more step. So it's changing the rotation. When you change the rotation, to show the rotation, click on the plot area. This is the plot area. Make sure that you know that's the inside here. If I click here, this is the chart area. This is the plot area. That's where you can see the rotation. So here you go. So when a rotation chart have the X rotation to 70, okay, and the Y to 50, and perspective here, decrease that to 10 degree. Okay, that would be the final thing that we do on this chart. So I'm gonna just work on step 8 and 9 together, and I'll tell you why. So the following says click on the clustered column chart. So this is clustered column chart that we have already represented here. I'm going to change it to a line chart. So I clicked on the chart, change it to a line chart. Now I have two options, okay? And just looking at the legend now, it's the date or the months, okay? And the type is showing on the XP. And the following step is asking to switch data. So better, you know, I already have the option to have the month on the axis. Okay, so I'm going to just choose this one instead of the first one. And that in this case, I do not need to switch data because the month here, the month is presented on the x-axis. But I need to, is asking to increase the data usage in the line chart to include the month of July, August, and September. Okay, that means I increase all these. I already switch or actually accomplish this following step. Now we're going to do format. By first, we'll be filtering out some data, so it's because it's, as you can see, multiple lines shows on the chart. Green collection, so I'm just going to show green collection, compact, mid-size, okay, and full size. That's the, again, just making sure. Oh, I don't think I got this. Green, this, and this. I didn't click on apply. All right, I'm going back to the here and change the style. It's right there to style 6. Okay, this is a 6. Here we go. Okay, add primary major vertical. Done with that. And change the title to July December rental type. Okay. Okay. That's a final presentation. Okay, so in the following step 11, I'm going to create a 3D clustered column chart. And just choose these two ranges, A5 through A10, and the semi-annual total. Insert. I'm going to go with all charts in this case. Clustered. This is the 3D. So different, this is what we need. And insert that one. And it says the primary horizontal axis should be the auto type, which is, that's the case. There you go. Okay. And we're going to change the title by creating reference to cell H4. Okay, we already kind of learned how to, so I'm going to just go ahead and delete this. Yeah, type equal. And just redo it again. Right. Equal H4. Okay, so it's reference to that. Every time I change the H4 value or text value, then this will change. We're going to move it from the annual data worksheet to a chart sheet. Okay, so it is moved here. Obviously, you're probably going to rename it to semi-annual report. Here you go. Add labels. To that, it's not specifying. I changed the font so as you can see they're very small font. I'm going to change it to 14. Bold it, obviously, so it's more visible. We're going to change the color chart area to gray again. So this is the chart color. Change the chart area. Make sure I got that. Yes. Okay, so we're going to move the semi-annual report worksheet to the right of the annual worksheet. That means you just click on the worksheet and move it to the right. Okay, and that would be it. You can go ahead and save, submit, and I will be recording a new video for the chapter 5. Thank you. Have a good day.